Now that we've found a loan that is interesting to us and we're interested in investing into it, we will propose an offer. So again, on the left-hand side of the loan detail, we can see the collateral that's being proposed, and on the right-hand side, the desired borrowing, which is going to be very important for us when proposing an offer. If we scroll a little bit below that, we see the offer section and we see that it's currently on empty. That means this particular loan request has not received any offer just yet. And then at the very bottom, of course, we can propose our own offer. One option is to go exactly with the desired borrowing that the borrower has requested, which probably has the largest chance of being accepted. However, Pawn offers you a great flexibility when it comes to what you propose as the credit. So in order to demonstrate this flexibility, I'm now going to offer 100 of our P-seed token, which is our dummy token for testing purposes. So I'm going to offer 100 of those tokens. I'm going to say that, let's say I want to target 20% APY. So I input 20% into the interest rate APY input, and it calculates the repayment for me. Alternatively, I would, of course, be able to input the repayment manually. I'm going to leave the duration at 30 days because I know that the borrower is looking for a 30-day loan. And of course, I'm going to leave the offer expiration at the default 7 days. This essentially means that after those 7 days, if the offer is not accepted, it will disappear from this view and the borrower will no longer be able to accept it. After I read terms and conditions, I'm going to click that I agree with them, and I'm going to trigger the approval transaction. This is the most typical DeFi transaction ever. It's giving the Pawn protocol the approval to eventually interact with the tokens that are in my wallet, specifically with the P-seed token that I'm proposing for the offer here. However, at this point, even though the approval has already gone through, the Pawn protocol is not touching my assets just yet. Everything else is happening off-chain. So now I'm signing this message instead of signing an on-chain transaction. And after clicking sign, the offer is instantly created. So I have essentially indicated that I want to go with this offer. The magic here, though, is that since the tokens are still in my wallet, I can use them. You can use the same tokens to create multiple different offers. So let's say that I want to offer, let's say 80 tokens here, which is slightly less favorable for the borrower, but I will go with just 5% APY, right? I'm going to leave the duration and the offer expiration the same. I'm going to, again, agree to the terms, and I'm going to create a different offer here. Again, I'm going to be asked to sign a message. And after I sign a message, the offer is going to get created. So now I can see that using just one asset, I have created 2 different offers, which have different terms or different favorability for the borrower. The next step is essentially to wait and see if the borrower accepts my offer.